1 cup before bed. 6 healing drinks for optimal kidney health. Getting good sleep matters when you're managing kidney disease, and what you drink can make a real difference. However, for anyone with kidney disease, finding the right bedtime drink can feel challenging when you're managing fluid restrictions and monitoring mineral intake. Let's look at some carefully selected natural drinks that work with your kidney diet, not against it. Each drink has also been designed to support both your health needs and your evening routine. Whether you prefer something warm and comforting or cool and refreshing, you'll find options that fit what your dietitian tells you. Before we dive in, please note, all the information in this video is created by real people, thoroughly fact-checked, unbiased, and reviewed by qualified professionals. 6. Cardamom Vanilla Latte. This caffeine-free latte is full of kidney-friendly ingredients. With gentle warmth from cardamom, natural sweetness from vanilla, and a hint of floral saffron, it's like a warm hug in a cup. Here's your shopping list for this recipe. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 2 to 3 whole cardamom pods, lightly crushed. 1/4 vanilla bean. 2 to 3 saffron threads, optional. Heat milk with cardamom and vanilla until just boiling, then simmer for 2 minutes. Steep saffron for 3 to 4 minutes, strain, and froth it up if you'd like. If needed, dilute your cup with hot water to match your fluid restrictions. Can't find vanilla beans? Substitute 1/4 teaspoon alcohol-free vanilla extract after straining, but nothing matches the natural fragrance of real vanilla. It's worth it if you can use it. Almond milk provides a low-phosphorus alternative to dairy milk. It is also light on fats, carbs, and calories, making it great before bed. Besides almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, and hemp milk are good choices for kidney disease. Don't forget to ask your healthcare team which type and amount works best for you. Now, cardamom acts as a diuretic, helping your kidneys release extra water. Plus, it can help relax some blood vessels, aid digestion, and even make it easier to get a good night's sleep. With vanilla and saffron, you're adding strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatories that protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. These spices can also help prevent diabetes and heart disease, those two big risks for kidney health. Choose high-quality saffron threads, avoid powdered ones, and cardamom from reputable sources. Be sure to use just a small pinch of saffron. It's potent and a little goes a long way. Enjoy this latte 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. If you have acid reflux, it's best to drink it 2 to 3 hours before bed so your milk digests nicely. 5. Hibiscus clove tea. Let's look at this refreshing tea that pairs tart hibiscus with warming clove. It has a gorgeous deep pink hue that's hard to beat. This recipe calls for just 3 ingredients. 1 teaspoon dried hibiscus petals or a hibiscus tea bag. 2 to 3 whole cloves. 1 cup water. Bring water to a gentle boil, then add the hibiscus petals and whole cloves to the water. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, you can add other kidney-friendly herbs or spices like basil, mint, lemongrass, lemon zest, fresh ginger, or a cinnamon stick. They all taste really nice with hibiscus, and experiment to find the flavor you love most. Strain the tea into your favorite cup and sweeten with honey or stevia if desired. If you want to use fresh hibiscus flowers, remove the green calyx at the base, right where the stem connects. Hibiscus and cloves provide a unique fruity and warm flavor while keeping sodium, phosphorus, and potassium content minimal. Plus, hibiscus is loaded with vitamin C and anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress in the kidneys. Hibiscus tea has also been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, potentially reducing strain on the kidneys. Also, cloves contain eugenol, an antioxidant that can help protect overall kidney health. Now, if you're taking diuretics, blood pressure medications like losartan, antimalarials like chloroquine, or ones to lower blood sugar and cholesterol, hibiscus tea might interact with them or reduce their effectiveness. To stay safe, check with your doctor whether this drink works for you or if it's best to enjoy it a few hours apart from your medications. Also, hibiscus tea can affect estrogen levels, which could trigger menstrual cycles or affect pregnancy, so it's not recommended for pregnant or nursing moms. Its safety for kids under 12 hasn't been confirmed yet. Plus, allergic reactions are rare but possible, especially if you're sensitive to plants like marshmallow or ambret. Rosehip and cranberry teas are great substitutes. Both are packed with antioxidants and offer extra perks like helping to prevent kidney stones or urinary tract infections. Are you enjoying our video so far? If so, please give us some hints by dropping a like, and we'll make more content like this. 4. Pear Chamomile Tea. This drink combines the gentle sweetness of pear with the subtle floral notes of chamomile, creating the perfect choice for winding down after a long day. Here's what you'll need. 1 chamomile tea bag, 1/2 small pear, sliced, 1 cup water. Heat your water until it's hot but not boiling. Add your sliced pear and chamomile tea bag to your cup or teapot. Pour the hot water over them and let everything steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Your calming drink is all set. You can also use 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of loose chamomile flowers, about 8 to 12 dried flowers, instead of a tea bag for an even more delightful drink. The drink maintains low levels of potassium and phosphorus, fitting within most kidney disease dietary guidelines. Chamomile offers natural anti-inflammatory and anxiety-reducing properties while providing hydration that works with typical fluid restrictions. Save the rest of the pear, as the fiber content from eating pears also helps slow kidney disease progression. Use hot, not boiling, water for chamomile to avoid bitterness, and slice pears thinly for flavor. To reduce the sugar content, strain before serving, though you'll lose some of the pear's fiber. You can add a slice of fresh ginger or cinnamon sticks for an extra touch of warmth. They are all kidney-friendly. Try having this soothing blend about an hour before bedtime. This gives you time to enjoy the drink and make any bathroom visits before sleep. Just a quick heads up. If you're allergic to ragweed or chrysanthemums, or if you take blood-thinning medications, it's best to skip chamomile. Try lavender or lemon balm tea for the same calming vibe. 3. Caribbean Carrot Juice. Caribbean carrot juice is a traditional Caribbean drink made with fresh carrot juice, often mixed with condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, and sometimes ginger or lime juice. Here, for a light and kidney-friendly version, we skip the condensed milk and go for hydrating coconut water. To make this refreshing treat, you'll need 1 medium-sized fresh carrot, which yield about 1/4 cup juice, 1/4 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup water, 1 teaspoon grated nutmeg, 1/2 inch fresh ginger, optional, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, optional, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional, 1/2 juiced lime, optional. Wash and peel your carrot, blend it with 1/2 cup of water, then strain the juice. Combine this juice with coconut water and stir in nutmeg to taste. If you use any add-ins, add them at this step. The carrot juice is diluted to manage potassium levels while still keeping fibers, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for kidney support. Nutmeg gives a calming touch and has been used as a traditional remedy for stomach and kidney issues. The other ingredients are also kidney-friendly with extra antioxidants benefits. Those who need to watch their potassium intake should note that a medium-sized carrot, about 60 grams, has about 168 milligrams of potassium. To reduce this, soak your carrots in warm water for 30 minutes, then drain the water before juicing. Also, people with conditions requiring lower vitamin A intake, such as severe liver disease or malabsorption disorders, should limit this juice. Start with a small amount of nutmeg. It's potent. This drink is best consumed 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to allow for comfortable digestion. For those interested in the evidence, the studies supporting our claims are provided in the link in our description box. 2. Lemon balm infused honey. It's an easy recipe, but it does need a few weeks to prepare. But once it's ready, you'll see that it's worth the wait. The honey extracts and preserves the essential oils and beneficial compounds from lemon balm, making it taste richer and perfect for a quick bedtime drink. For each batch that can give you 25 to 40 cups of lemon balm tea, you'll just need 1 cup honey, preferably a raw honey, 1/4 cup fresh lemon balm leaves. If you need a bigger batch, just double or triple the recipe. Wash the lemon balm leaves well and dry them completely so they don't ferment. Roughly chop the leaves and fill a clean jar loosely with them. Pour honey over the leaves until they're fully covered, then seal the jar. Let it sit in a warm, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. Stir it occasionally to remove any air bubbles. Once it's ready, strain out the leaves. To make a cozy, kidney-friendly drink before bed, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of your infused honey into 8 ounces of hot water. It's best enjoyed 30 to 60 minutes before bed, but you can also just take a spoonful when you need a tasty way to unwind. Traditionally, lemon balm was used to calm nervousness, improve sleep, and help with menstrual issues. It's also an ingredient in many products that support digestion, ease anxiety, and lift your mood. This honey medicine can also help soothe a cough, calm anxiety, while adding a lovely citrus mint touch to your favorite drinks. Lemon balms are also full of antioxidants like rosmarinic acid and phenolic compounds that can help protect kidney tissue. Additionally, honey has certain enzymes that help detoxify your body. Whenever you can, choose organic lemon balm and raw, unfiltered honey from a local source. If you want to make it extra special, add rosemary, mint, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, orange peel, or rose petals. Lemon balm is well tolerated by most people, with most clinical trials reporting no side reactions. However, if you have diabetes, keep an eye on how much honey you're using. 1. Lavender rose tea. Lavender brings a light herbal flavor with a hint of earthiness, while rose adds a soft, honey-like sweetness and subtle floral fragrance. Together, they create a soothing, mildly sweet tea without sugar. You'll need 1 teaspoon dried lavender buds, 1 teaspoon dried rose petals or buds, 2 cups water. Heat water until steaming but not boiling. Herbal tea prefers cooler temperatures. Place lavender and rose in a tea infuser or strainer, then pour hot water over them. Steep for 5 to 7 minutes and remove the infuser. This tea is caffeine-free, hydrating, and low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a nice choice for kidney health. Lavender and rose add antioxidants and a mild anti-inflammatory boost to help ease kidney stress. The nerve relaxant and sedative effects of lavender also support a restful night's sleep. Use culinary-grade lavender for the best taste. Look for whole buds rather than crushed herbs, and you can crush them lightly before steeping to release oils. For a more refreshing twist, add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of dried mint leaves. Have this tea about an hour before bedtime. Note that those on sedative medications or are pregnant should consult a doctor before drinking this tea. Now that we've explored the 6 best kidney-friendly bedtime drinks, let's remember a few key points to make the most of them. Start with 1 new drink at a time to understand how your body responds, and aim to drink them at least 1 to 2 hours before bed for comfortable sleep. Note the serving sizes that work best within your fluid restrictions, and always have these drinks alongside your healthcare team's guidance. Remember, managing kidney health is a personal journey, and creating a healthy evening routine takes time. Our 6 suggested drinks offer options, but you'll need to find what works best for your specific situation. Keep your healthcare providers informed about changes to your routine and enjoy discovering new ways to support your evening wellness. With patience and attention to your body's responses, you can find the right combinations that support both your kidney function and sleep quality. Now, we want to send a big thank you to all our current subscribers and viewers. Your support inspires us to continue sharing valuable content. Hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a life-saving video. Everything we've discussed in this video might be wasted if you don't watch the video on the screen. Here, we share the worst 22 foods that can ruin your effort to take care of your kidneys and offer tips on how to still enjoy them or find great alternatives. See you there. Stay informed, stay healthy.